First conditional practice exercises. First versus zero conditional. The first conditional describes a particular situation, whereas the zero conditional describes what happens in general. For example, zero conditional. If you sit in the sun, you get burned. Here I'm talking about every time a person sits in the sun, the burning is a natural consequence of the sitting. But first conditional, if you sit in the sun, you will get burned. Here I'm talking about what will happen today. Another day might be different. Here are more practice exercises. If I go out tonight, I will go to the cinema. If you get back late, I will be angry. If we don't see each other tomorrow, we will see each other next week. If he comes, I will be surprised. If we wait here, we will be late. If we go on holiday this summer, we will go to Spain. If the weather doesn't improve, we won't have a picnic. If I don't go to bed early, I will be tired tomorrow. If we eat all this cake, we will feel sick. If you don't want to go out, I will cook dinner at home. I will come early if you want. They will go to the party if they are invited. She will stay in London if she gets a job. He won't get a better job if he doesn't pass that exam. I will buy a new dress if I have enough money. She will cook dinner if you go to the supermarket. They will go on holiday if they have time. We will be late if we don't hurry. She will take a taxi if it rains. I won't go if you don't come with me. When you start with if, remember to use a comma in the middle of the sentence. If you don't hurry, comma, you will miss the bus. If you don't start with if, you shouldn't use a comma in the middle of the sentence. You will miss the bus, no comma, if you don't hurry.